Did you know some birds can fly as fast as cars? Fast birds have amazed us for centuries. Today, we'll discover the top 5 fastest birds in the sky. Let's start with the peregrine falcon. This marvelous bird is the champion of speed. It can reach up to 240 miles per hour during a dive. That's faster than a sports car! Next up is the golden eagle. This spectacular bird soars at around 200 miles per hour. It uses its impressive wingspan to glide effortlessly while hunting. Coming in third is the white-throated needletail. It can fly at speeds of 105 miles per hour. This tiny bird zips through the air, showing off incredible agility. The fourth spot goes to the gray-headed albatross. This bird reaches speeds of 79 miles per hour. Its long wings allow it to glide over the ocean effortlessly. Finally, we have the Mexican free-tailed bat. Despite being a mammal, it is worth noting. It can fly at approximately 99 miles per hour, rivaling our feathered friends. In summary, the peregrine falcon is fastest, followed by the golden eagle, white-throated needletail, gray-headed albatross, and Mexican free-tailed bat. These birds showcase the amazing speed found in nature. Want to learn more about these incredible creatures? Subscribe for more exciting content.